Guys, our friends at MIDI to the Max have come up with something incredible again. So let's check it out. Basically what it's called is MX2 Chord Track. What it does is you go into a MIDI track like this, and then you're going to create a MIDI clip. And inside the MIDI clip, all you're going to do is rename the clip. So we'll just press Control R to do that. And we'll just call this D, like this is the chord D, or we can call it D minor, but let's just stick to D. And then we're going to click on Update. And there it is. You've got basically a chord in D major, which is fantastic. And you can just go in and rename it again. Let's rename it this way, but Control R does the same thing. We call it D minor, Update, and it's in D minor. And you can keep doing this as much as you want. You can say, call it C sharp, like that. G flat, whatever you want, G flat minor. So it has a really flexible naming convention. You can type in any chord name you want, G diminished, whatever you want, it will basically accept it. You can put in a range of chords. So I've put in 4 different chords in here and click on Update, and it will play those 4 chords. And the other thing it can do is it can change the voicing of the chords. So let's change the voicing there and click on Update. So this has put the notes a bit closer together, add a bass note. So we'll just go, say, down 2 semitones. So you can see here it's added the extra bass note. And legato is really interesting as well. So if it's using the same note, it'll just keep playing that note over the range. You can set the chord duration. So this is currently at 4 beats of the bar. So we can change this, say, to 5. So you can see here, it just extends over slightly, and it will give it a different set of timing. And say, for example, we want some voice leading, so it sounds a bit more professionally played. Very nice. Now, the thing I really love about this actually is the transpose function. So basically, if you transpose any steps, say you want to go up 1 step or 2 steps or whatever, it basically means you've got different chords, right? So let's go up 1 step like that. And these are the chords that we have. But if we click on Update, it's changed automatically the name of all the chords by that step. So for example, now we can go down, say, 3, and you've got a whole new set of chords basically because they're down 3 steps. And it's just renamed them all. So if this is something you're interested in, I do have a discount code in my description, so check it out. Thanks and enjoy.